Hello everyone, Kevin here on 0635, and today we have another unboxing. I do not know which way this little robot's going to be facing, but we'll start off from here. This is another one of Josh's robots. This is the second one that I'm fixing up for him. As you saw in the previous video, I fixed up his white Roboquad. I was actually really happy with it, which was great. So now it's time for the red. And I'll tell you this, I've never seen a red Roboquad in person before, so this will be the first. The one time I did have the chance to see one in person was when I went to Chris's house, but I really didn't pay attention to it since we were there in a rush to go thrift shopping at the time. But this will be the first. Oh great, packing peanuts. Alright, so, yep, I ended up opening this up the wrong side. So this thing is upside down. Ooh. Shouldn't let these go everywhere. Okay. Really? They have okay, so there he is. So we're going to pack him out with the head down. So I really hope the head is fine and not damaged of any sort. Other than that, they did do a pretty decent job packing this. So I'm going to find wherever the beginning is for this. Okay, so this is taking long enough, so we're just gonna tearing. Of course, there is no bag cover with this, so upon test run, I will have to use one of my quad's bag covers to do a quick test. Well, the test run won't be done right now, but it will be done momentarily after this video is uploaded. Please, I hope the head springs up after I get this other bit out. Okay, good. His head's fine. Wow, that's really glossy. Okay, needs new gear in that leg. Severely needs one in that leg. This one's fine, but will still be replaced. This one severely needs it. Alright, so this was the unboxing of Josh's second, why did I put 3? Second Roboquad that I'll be repairing. I gotta admit, the red one looks really nice. Soon I'll be getting a red. Not at this moment, but very soon I'll be getting my own red. That seems fine. Yep. The cool thing about this is that the way this feels is exactly how the red V2 feels when it was brand new. And I actually know that because I actually have a V2 that's in slight brand new condition. Unlike my first one that is practically the coating of it's like really dirty. But yeah, here he is, the red Roboquad. I'll put some batteries in him shortly, just gotta finish cleaning up and I'll make a video on this guy before I do the repair. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Thanks for watching and bye. Wow, my phone does not want to stop recording. Stop.